Hey everybody, how you doing? Dr. Wolf here. I'm right now in Sydney, Australia, and I gotta tell you, we stayed at Manly Beach, and I gotta tell you, I love Manly Beach, Australia. I love this whole area here. It is so beautiful. The people are really laid back and easy. Melbourne's okay, but you know what? Sydney, it rocks. It really does. It's the kind of place that I could live, you know, really, truly. I really like it. This isn't the best view. We're at a place here. We're just going for breakfast. It's right behind this hedge here. But anyways, I just wanted to talk about this, okay? Guess what? Guess what one of the biggest side effects was of the COVID-19, okay? Remember something. You know how you see fire hydrants all over the place in case there's a fire because you want to put out the fire? Want to see how we put out the fire now? That's how we put the fire out now. Automated external defibrillator. Now, bet you never saw one of those before COVID, did you? No, you didn't. I'll be posting up in here what the difference between a heart attack is and a cardiac arrest and heart disease. I just wrote a little blurb, but I want you to understand something. The reason why we have to have these now is because people are having an electrical problem with their heart. An electrical problem with their heart. And do you know about 5G? Do you know about 5G? Well, how about 10G? How about it's even going to get stronger? And how about 5G? I got the V. I'm no longer free because the 5G is going to turn on the little bots. And when it turns them on, your body rots. And before your body rots, it goes on fire. They might take this one down, but that's the God's truth. I'm going to put right up there when I finished here, up in the blurb, and then you can understand the difference between heart disease, a heart attack, and a cardiac arrest, which is an electrical problem, okay? All right? But anyways, I'm going to be in Sydney for the afternoon. I'm going to fly back to Melbourne. And Monday, I'm going to be doing a 6-hour training. I will be coming on live. I'll tell you why I'm doing it, okay? We did a lecture the other night in Melbourne. We did 2 of them. The first one we did, and then we did another one in Melbourne. I told everybody that, you know, because guess what? They don't have the information that we do. I'm not kidding you. And they all wanted me to do something else, another lecture. And I said, well, we're not leaving until Wednesday. On Tuesday, I'm doing a professional training. So on Monday, I'm going to be coming live on TikTok, unless they kick me off again. And I'll be on Facebook and I'll be on Instagram. And I'm going to be doing about a 5-hour training and just showing people how to do different things so that they can create the perfect day in every way. And I really mean that. And you got to understand something. I'm not charging for this. I didn't charge for any of the lectures. And that's the thing. I need you to find your gift, okay, your passion, and then I need you to go out and gift the world with it, okay? We need each other, and I mean that. This isn't some kind of little sales pitch. I'm trying to tell you that we need each other, okay? We were all created by the same creator, and we came down here and we got a bunch of bullshit stories, okay? All right? All right? So someday, hopefully that the color of our skin doesn't matter any more than the color of our eyes, and our belief systems don't matter. Who's got what belief systems. We have unconditional love for each other. But just know this, okay? You're going to see a lot more of these, okay? All right? Okay? When they turn on the 5G, they're going to be turning on the V. You think I'm kidding? Okay? All right, well, why do you think you see these things around? You know, they don't actually do things for the good of our health, okay? All right? They can't have people just dropping dead all over the place. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, they already are. That's right. Okay, all right. So we better come together pretty dang quick, everyone. And I just wanted to tell everyone, too, I see some people here on from Kelowna. Guess what? We are now doing cell sonic, and we're now doing non-surgical, Wolf non-surgical in Kelowna. Okay, my daughter Genevieve Wolf is doing non-surgical, and Sandra May is doing non-surgical, and they're also doing cell sonic, and you'll see the advertisement about it. If you want more information, anybody from Canada, Kelowna area, please just call me at 469-861-9454. And that's a USA number, okay? And if anybody ever wants to call my phone number, if they have questions, I'm here to answer them. You can also text that number and understand something. I really am here for you, okay? I don't know anything better than meeting new people, and every type of person with every different personality. Guess what? I have one goal, and that is to love them unconditionally. Have a beautiful day, and God bless. Oh, by the way, so Monday I'll be doing a lecture there, and then I'm going to Coffs Harbour, and I'll be doing a lecture in Coffs Harbour, and then I'll be doing my whole New World Practitioner training there. So if you want to come up and take the Whole Life Coach certification there, it's 9 days. Beautiful place we're staying. And then we're going to be doing Wolf Non-Surgical for 12 days. And then the 3-day pelvic restoration course for women. There's nothing like it in the world. And whenever you come to a free lecture from now on, guess what? I'm going to give you my 400-page manual, the Perfect Day Lifestyle Guide, as a gift, because you put yourself out there, okay? All right? And I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that everywhere we go. And we just spent another probably about 500 hours rewriting it. And this is a guide that will actually show you how your personality creates your reality on all levels, financially and your health. And if you could understand that your symptoms become diseases, and there's no such thing as a disease, and your symptoms are just messages that your body's saying, I love you, why can't you love me back? God bless. And my last course of the year, New World Practitioner course, will be in Bonita, Florida. And we already have 12 people in that course. We're not going to go any higher than 24 in the Whole Life Coach. All right, so check it out, Bonita, Florida. That'll be in October. Go to BraveHeartNation.com, everybody, or BHNUniversity.com, because now you can get your doctorate through us. That's right. And check out our courses and all our trainings. But also, I'm going to be in Puerto Rico right after I finish Coffs Harbour. I will be there on the 22nd of August. And the reason why we're going there was we're coming into one of the biggest orders in the world, a European order that's coming to actually bring us into their order to protect us against the government. I'm not making this up. But yeah, go figure, right? To protect us against the government. And the reality is, we've just finished our whole BHN Abundance program. Go to BraveHeartNation.com if you would like to legally not pay taxes. And I mean that, okay? And I can say that on here because they can't do anything about it. Does anybody know where the Canadian Revenue head office is, or the IRS head office is? It's in San Juan, Puerto Rico, because they don't want to pay tax either. And you know what? We've hacked the program. So why don't you check me out on BraveHeartNation.com and check out Pathway to Doctorate and check out the BraveHeart Nation Abundance Program. You can't make this stuff up, okay? And understand something. The more you see these, that's because more people are dropping.